On the 8th day of Navaratri, we worship to Ma Mahagauri, the radiant goddess of purity and peace. Adorned in white, riding upon a gentle bull, her glow is like the full moon, her presence soft yet powerful, her arms bestowing blessing, courage, and compassion. Long ago, she was Parvati, performing fire's penance for Lord Shiva. Harsh winds, scorching sun, and countless hardships turned her complexion dark. But Shiva, moved by her devotion, blessed her, and the holy Ganga washed away her trials, revealing her divine fair form. Thus, she became Mahagauri. She is the remover of sins, the destroyer of sorrow, the giver of peace and prosperity. On this day, devotees perform Kanya Puja, honoring little girls as living embodiments of the goddess herself. May Ma Mahagauri's light wash away all darkness, fill your heart with purity, and bless your life with happiness eternal. Jai Mata Mahagauri.